Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Saturday, September 13th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 19 years. Been working full-time for myself since 2018. And it's my true passion to help others generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So, we have some big news. Silver hit $42 the other night, okay? And I didn't do a video because I was busy doing other things. But the last time that I checked, which was about 15 minutes ago, silver was at $42.43 an ounce, which is awesome, right? I mean, we continue to see it go up, and the experts are saying that it's going to continue to go up, and there's no better time than now to start stacking if you haven't already, and if you have been, continue to do so, all right? Because silver's been undervalued for many, many years, right? Gold always gets... silver's like an honorable mention when it comes to precious metals. Gold's always the talk, but we know that once gold starts taking off, it really takes off. And that is what the market is showing right now. And there's many reasons for it, but one of the biggest reasons is supply and demand, obviously. There's so many applications that use silver nowadays, and there's only so much silver in the world, right? I mean, the government can't make more silver like they can reprint more money whenever they want to. So with all these new things, all these electric cars that are out, the batteries need silver. All of our electric devices need silver, right? Our cell phones, our tablets, our desktops, our anything electric, our televisions, all have silver in them. So silver is used in the medical field. They're used in water filtration systems. I mean, silver is used for so much. Most people don't realize how powerful silver really is and how much it's really used. So the price of silver is going to continue to go up because the demand for it is going to continue to increase, and the supply is just going to get, smaller and smaller, right? So there's no better time to start stacking silver than right now. And I use Quicksilver Wealth Accelerated, which is a company based out of Florida. They've been in business since 2019. And what they allow you to do is to set up what they call an auto wealth delivery. So every 30 days, you can have silver shipped directly to your door. All right? Whatever amount you want shipped right to your door. So it's automatic, right? It's kind of like having money come out of your paycheck for taxes or to be put into your 401k plan. You set it, forget it, and you build wealth on autopilot. So I love that about this company. And then on top of that, there's a business side to it where they allow you to earn up to 7 different ways by sharing the opportunity with other people. Okay? And to top everything off, they've gone ahead and partnered with a nonprofit organization called Feed My Starving Children. So the company takes proceeds from every sale and they go and they donate meals to starving children. And they help families learn skills and trades to help better their lives. So it's a complete win for everybody. It's especially if you're in the work from home space like I am, right? Why wouldn't you want to share this opportunity and have the potential to get paid up to 7 different ways simply by sharing it with other people? It's like a no-brainer. What else was I going to say? So, like experts were saying, there's people saying that, silver could reach $50 by the end of this month. Some are saying it could reach over $100 or more by the end of the year. And, others are saying it could catch up to gold at some point in time. I don't know if any of that's true. I'm not an expert on any of this, but I do tend to trust people that know what they're talking about, especially when it comes to, the silver metals and precious metals. But there's no way to know 100% for certain what's going to happen. But one thing that they all agree with is that now's the time to be stacking silver. All right. If you haven't started doing so, start doing it. Or if you only do it a little bit, start doing it more. And Quicksilver makes it easy to set up that auto wealth delivery so you don't even have to think about it. And they're always coming out with new products. So their inventory is always changing. It's always fresh. And their prices are super competitive. In fact, most of the time they're cheaper than some of these bigger silver and gold suppliers online, okay? So check it out. I'll leave a link down below this video. I'll also leave a link if you want to go and look at the business side of this and grab a free silver bar just for checking everything out. You pay a nominal shipping fee. It's like $2.74 if you live here in the US, and it's $3.74, I believe, if you live internationally. That's another thing. We're in 29 different countries, so it's a global opportunity. It's never going to become saturated. And when you start making commissions, what I do with them is the company allows you to keep the commissions in the back office and place orders using your commission money. So I joined this back, I believe it was December 29th of last year, and I have yet to make a withdrawal with my commissions, right? I just take my commissions and I just reinvest it back into silver and gold. So when you get to a point where you share it with enough people and you have commissions coming in, you're getting free silver, right? So how cool is that? You know? So it's just a great company. The owners are transparent. They have weekly webinars, overview calls. We have a Wednesday night training. If you become a wealth ambassador, that's somebody who goes and has the business side of this. You know, I mean, I can't say enough good things about it, right? It's just one of those companies that it's a win-win for everybody. And in all the years that I've been doing this, I've never been with a company that has this much, you know, this many benefits. Let's just put it that way, right? You're building your investment portfolio on autopilot. You can earn 7 different ways. One of the 7 ways you can earn up to $20,000 a month, potentially. It does take work, all right? I can't guarantee that you're going to make any money if you join me, simply because it's all based on your work ethic. But one of the 7 ways you can earn up to $20,000 a month. And when you get to that level, you're going to get a $5,000 leadership bonus, right? So just think about that. I mean, how many other companies are paying that much potentially to their affiliates? You know? So I love everything about this company. Like I said, I can't say enough good things about it. The owners are super transparent. The customer support is top notch, which is huge for me. But, you know, I'm not going to go on and on about it because I have many videos about it. But I am doing a 90-day video blitz on Quicksilver Wealth Accelerated simply because I love the opportunity. And it's one of those that, you know, I'd be doing you a disservice if I didn't share it every single day and get the word out about this opportunity. And with the price of silver going up, this is the time to do it. So I'll leave a link down below. Check it out. Get a free silver bar at the very minimum. And reach out to me if you have any questions, okay? So with that being said, I appreciate each and every one of you. Start stacking now, build wealth, and thank yourself later, all right? Thank yourself later. So with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Have a great rest of your day. Thanks very much for watching.